You've heard of multifamily rental properties, right? Buying a duplex is a great way to get into real estate investing and add some extra income to your monthly budget. But it can also be confusing, especially if you've never done it before. First, let me paint a picture for you. Imagine buying a duplex, which is essentially a property with two separate units, where each unit costs $1,500 to rent out. Your monthly mortgage payment might be around $1,800, leaving you with a whopping $1,200 in profit each and every month. Not to mention, this is all while having your mortgage paid off by tenants every year until you're no longer stuck with a mortgage payment at all. Maybe you want to live on one side and then rent out the other, but the problem is you don't know how to buy one. Luckily, I've got your back. Not only will I tell you how to buy a duplex in 8 easy steps, but I want to share exactly what tools you'll need to ultimately scale from one property to another every single year. So without wasting any time, follow these 8 simple steps when purchasing a duplex. Step 1. Determine your budget and financial readiness. Let's be honest here, determining your budget for purchasing a duplex is crucial to ensure that you don't end up living on ramen noodles for the next decade. It's a big step and you want to make sure you're financially ready. Now, before you start dreaming of adding a pool in your backyard, let's face the reality and get down to business. Take a look at your savings account and assess your monthly expenses. Don't forget to factor in those pesky bills like electricity and water. Remember, buying a duplex is like getting 2 for the price of 1, but it also means double the expenses. You may even have to deal with pesky tenants, so be sure to set aside some money for emergencies. If you're feeling unsure about your financial readiness, don't worry, you're not alone. Seeking the help of a financial advisor may provide the clarity you need to make a smart investment. Aspiring to become a full-time landlord? Follow our channel and subscribe for all the updated videos in your investing career. Step 2. Hire a real estate agent. Hiring a real estate agent or broker can be a wise decision when it comes to finding a suitable duplex. With their expertise and knowledge of the real estate market, they can provide you with professional help and guidance throughout the entire process. They will listen to your needs and requirements and use their network and resources to find you the best option that fits your budget and criteria. They can negotiate on your behalf and help you with the paperwork, making the process smooth and stress-free. Moreover, they are familiar with the local market and can provide you with valuable insights into the area, such as the best neighborhoods, schools, and amenities. By choosing to work with a real estate agent or broker, you can save time and effort in your search for the perfect duplex and have peace of mind knowing that you have a trusted professional working for you. Want to know how to negotiate a price for your duplex? Keep watching because in a minute, I'll show you just how to do it. But before that, please like and subscribe to the channel so that you're always updated with our latest videos. Moving on to Step 3, research the real estate market for duplexes. Are you in the market for a new home that's twice as nice as a single-family abode? Then a duplex might just be the perfect fit for you. And when it comes to finding the right duplex, research is key. And where do you begin? Well, first things first, start by checking out the local real estate market. Take a look at what's available and see what catches your eye. Don't be afraid to get a little nosy and check out the neighborhood too. Who knows? You might just stumble upon the perfect duplex while taking a morning jog. And while you're at it, why not have a little fun with it? Visit open houses dressed up in your finest real estate attire. Pretend to be a wealthy buyer and see how the real estate agents fawn over you. Just kidding, remember to keep it professional, folks. Step 4. Look for duplexes for sale through online listings or local newspapers. Duplexes are becoming increasingly popular among home buyers as they offer a great combination of space, affordability, and potential rental income. If you are in the market for a duplex, there are several ways to search for properties. Online is a great starting point, as you can browse listings from the comfort of your own home and get a good idea of what is available in your area. Websites such as Zillow and Redfin can help you search for duplexes for sale in your desired location and filter results based on your specific criteria. Another option is to look for duplexes in local newspapers. This can be especially useful if you are interested in properties that are not listed online, as some sellers prefer to advertise through traditional methods. Additionally, local newspapers often have classified sections that can provide information on properties for sale. Step 5. Schedule a viewing of the properties you are interested in. Trust me, I know you're tired of scrolling through endless listings online and still feel unsure about the properties you want to see. Well, it's time to put on your detective hat and get ready for some real estate sleuthing. Schedule a viewing and visit the properties you are interested in to get a first-hand experience. Think of it as a date with your future home, a chance to get to know each other better. You can finally stop playing the guessing game and see if the kitchen has enough counter space for all of your baking needs. if the bedrooms are big enough to accommodate your yoga practice, and if the neighborhood is as quiet as a library or as lively as a nightclub. And let's not forget the best part, you can finally put to rest the age-old question, does this bathroom come with enough mirrors for all of my selfie needs? So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start viewing those properties. You might just fall in love with your future home on the first date. If this is your first time buying a duplex, you need to know how to close a sale legally. So keep your eyes peeled because later I will walk you through with that step. And now let's go to step 6. Negotiate the price and terms with the seller. Negotiating terms with the seller is an important step in any transaction. It involves working out the details of the deal, including the price and other relevant terms, in order to arrive at a mutually beneficial agreement. The first step in the negotiation process is to understand the seller's position. This includes understanding their goals, motivations, and constraints. This information can be used to determine what type of deal might be acceptable to both parties. Next, be clear about your own position. What are your non-negotiables? What are you willing to compromise on, and what are you hoping to get out of the deal? Having a clear understanding of your own needs and wants will help you stay focused during the negotiation process. When it comes to the actual negotiation, be prepared to listen actively and be open to new ideas. This often involves giving and taking, so be willing to compromise in order to reach a deal that works for both parties. And remember, the goal is to find a win-win solution that benefits both parties. So approach the negotiation with a positive, collaborative mindset. Step 7. Hire a home inspector to assess the condition of the property. This is a crucial step in ensuring that you are making a wise investment when purchasing a property. A home inspector is a trained professional who specializes in evaluating the condition of a home and identifying any potential problems. They will examine the structure, electrical system, plumbing, heating, air conditioning, roof, foundation, and more to give you a comprehensive understanding of the property's condition. This information will help you make an informed decision on whether to purchase the property or negotiate for repairs or credits to be made before closing. Note that a home inspector is a neutral third party and their report will be objective and unbiased. This will give you peace of mind knowing that you're getting an honest assessment of the property. Make sure to invest in a home inspection before making a decision on a property purchase. Step 8. Close the sale with the help of a lawyer or title company. Congratulations! You're on the brink of finalizing the sale of that duplex you've been eyeing for months. But before you break out the champagne, there's one more important step to take. Closing the sale with the help of a lawyer or title company. It may sound boring, but trust me, it's well worth it. Consider a lawyer or title company as the gatekeeper of the sale, making sure everything is on the up and up and all the T's are crossed and I's dotted. They'll ensure that the transfer of ownership goes smoothly, like a pro golfer sinking a 15-foot putt. And don't worry, they won't ruin the party by getting in the way of the champagne. In fact, they might even bring their own bottle to celebrate with you. So raise a glass to closing the sale and to your very own duplex. Buying a duplex can be a smart investment for those looking to generate passive income by living in one half of the duplex and renting out the other. The homeowner can benefit from reduced living expenses and added rental revenue. Over time, this investment can lead to financial stability and growth through appreciation and rental income, making it a great option for those looking to secure their financial future. The only question I have for you now is, are you ready to buy your first duplex rental property? Please let me know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you always stay updated. In fact, if you want to learn my step-by-step guide on how to manage your very own duplex, watch this video next where we'll walk you through the entire process. So click the video on the screen now and we'll see you in the next one.